Hello and welcome to Yaya, and congratulations on getting approved. We're so glad you're here.
You're now part of the #1 nanny app in the UAE and Bahrain, connecting hundreds of families with trusted caregivers just like you. In the next few minutes, we'll show you exactly how to use Yaya and set yourself up for success.
Before we start, there's something really important we want to tell you. Make sure you watch this video all the way through. Every part matters.
This isn't just a tutorial. What you'll see here can help you get hired faster and really stand out to families. The nannies who pay attention and follow these steps are usually the ones who find success.
Let's start with the basics. When you open the app, you'll land on Care Finder. This is the main screen and it shows all available nannies, including your profile exactly as families see it. You can search for your own name here to check how your profile looks.
To find jobs, tap Jobs in the bottom menu. This is where families post new openings every day. Tap any family profile to see their requirements and apply directly. Check back often so you don't miss new opportunities.
Before you apply for a job, take a moment to think, is this job right for me? Ask yourself 3 quick things. Is it near where I live? Do I have the experience they need? Does it match what I'm looking for, like the hours, duties, or living arrangements?
When you apply for jobs that truly fit you, you'll connect with families faster, and that means less time searching.
When you find a job you like, scroll to the bottom of the family's profile and tap Apply for Job. Here's something important. Families notice when you copy and paste the same message to everyone. It feels impersonal.
Take 1 minute to write something unique and mention what you liked about their post or how your experience fits their needs. For example, "Hi Rebecca, I saw you're looking for someone experienced with toddlers and meal prep. I've spent 5 years caring for children ages 2 and 4, and I love creating healthy, kid-friendly meals. I'd be happy to meet and discuss how I can support your family."
And remember, don't ask for things already in the profile, like where they live. Read carefully before you apply.
If you've listed your expected salary, keep it the same when you chat with families. Changing it later can cause confusion and break trust. And try not to talk about money right away. Families prefer to first know who you are and what kind of help you can offer. Once there's interest, you can discuss salary more comfortably. When a family approves your application, you'll get a notification and your chat with them will open automatically so you can talk in more detail.
Sometimes you might not be able to apply for a certain job and see this message. This usually means one of 2 things. Either the family has set very specific preferences like age or experience and that your profile doesn't match right now, or they've chosen not to receive applications and prefer to contact nannies directly.
And here's the good news. Families can still reach out to you directly through Yaya, WhatsApp, or by calling you, even if their job posting has specific preferences.
Let's talk about something essential if you want to get hired on Yaya: staying active and responsive. If you don't log in for over a week, you'll get a reminder email. If after 10 days you have still not logged in, your profile will be deactivated, since we'll assume you've already found a job. The good news? Logging in often boosts your profile and shows families you're available and serious. Check your Yaya inbox daily and reply within 24 hours. Quick responses show professionalism and make a big difference. Stay active, apply often, and respond fast. That's how you get noticed on Yaya. When you meet a family, make a good first impression. If you have a uniform, great. If not, wear something clean, modest, and professional.
Be honest about your experience. If you haven't done something before, it's okay to say so. Families appreciate honesty. They're looking for someone they can trust with their children and their home. The right match is based on truth, not pretending.
And remember, you're applying to be a nanny, so let your warmth show. Smile, be friendly, and ask questions about the family and their children. If the kids are around, say hello or engage with them naturally. Families love to see that you're caring, confident, and genuinely enjoy being around kids. Okay, this next part is really important. It's the #1 pain point families tell us about.
When a family messages you to schedule an interview and you agree on a time, that family is carving out time from their busy day specifically to meet you. They might be arranging childcare, leaving work early, or rearranging their schedule.
So here's what we need from you. If you agree to meet, please show up. Before you confirm, make sure you understand exactly where they live and how to get there, and whether you can realistically make it at the agreed hour.
Set off with plenty of time. Plan for traffic. And if something comes up and you absolutely cannot make it, just let them know as soon as possible. Families would much rather you reschedule with notice than not show up at all. A simple message like, "I'm so sorry, something urgent came up. Could we reschedule?" is totally okay.
But here's the serious part. If you repeatedly fail to show up to interviews without notice, your profile will be flagged and you'll be banned from Yaya. We have to protect families' time and trust.
If you notice something in your profile that needs correcting, like a photo that's wrong, missing information, or an outdated video, just let us know.
Message us on WhatsApp with the exact change you need and our care team will take care of it for you quickly. If you have new photos or videos, you can send them directly to us there. You won't be able to update your profile yourself. This helps us make sure everything stays professional and consistent. Before we finish, there's something really important we need to talk about: staying safe. We work hard to keep Yaya secure, but scams can still happen. Never send money and report any suspicious messages.
Here's what to remember. A real family will never try to hire you from abroad, and they will never ask you for money, not for visas or anything else. If someone does, don't reply. Just report them to us so we can investigate and remove them.
Yaya will also never ask you for money, ever. We only contact you through our official WhatsApp number we spoke with you on during your verification. If you're ever unsure whether a message is really from us or from a genuine family, reach out to our care team first.
Stay alert, stay smart, and always trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. We know that was a lot of information, but here's the bottom line. Be responsive, be professional, be honest, show up when you commit to something, and stay active.
Do those things and you'll stand out as one of the best helpers on Yaya. Families will notice and you'll find the right match. Once you find a job, please let us know via WhatsApp so we can deactivate your profile and keep our listings up to date.
If you ever have questions or need help, our care team is here for you. Reach out via WhatsApp. We're always ready to help.
Before we go, we have one small favor to ask. If you think we've helped you, whether it's finding a great job using the app easily or just feeling supported, we'd love for you to leave us a 5-star review on the Google or Apple App Store. Your review doesn't just help us, it helps other families discover Yaya too and brings more job opportunities to the platform.
Thank you for being part of the Yaya community, and we wish you the best of luck finding your dream job.